Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you're going to need a few feet of string, scissors, a lighter, some pony beads, and you're going to need some rings. These neon ones I got off a bead tin. If you don't have these, I know some craft stores have plastic rings. You would just have to hunt to see if they have them. Or you could use a key ring. You just want to make sure 2 beads will fit inside. So if you don't have these or don't want to purchase these, you could try it with key rings or any other plastic ring where you can fit 2 pony beads in. So I have a couple feet of string here, folded in half. To start this, we're going to put on 1 pink bead, and then you'll hold these ends together and pull this down to the middle. And now open your string up. You're going to put 1 ring on each side. We're going to get a pink pony bead. You're going to take this string and cross through. Put the ends together, and then you can pull or hold. You can hold this bead and then pull your string. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to try to get it as even as possible. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to repeat that. We're going to put a pink bead on, take this string and go through, hold the ends and pull this down. Okay, now what we're going to do is you're going to put this string through and this string through, and you're pulling both sides until the string is tight. And you're going to pull this down a little bit. And that's what it looks like. We're going to add a pink. Take your other end and cross through. And now that we have this started, instead of putting the ends together, you can just pull them down, because your string should stay centered. And that's what it looks like so far. We have 1 color. Now we're going to do the next color. We're going to put 1 orange on. Take your other string and go across and pull. You're going to take a ring on this side, a ring on the other side. We're going to add an orange and then cross this over. Pull it. Do that again. We're going to add an orange. Take the other side and cross it over, and then pull this down. Okay, and now we're going to take our string down. Same thing on this side. Take your string down. And then every time you do that, you're going to want to pull this down a little bit, just to tighten it up, because you don't want it too loose. But that's what it looks like so far. Now we're going to add an orange crossover. So what we're doing for every color, you're starting with a pink. There should be 2 pink inside your rings, and then you end with 1 pink. So we're using 4 pony beads for each color. Now we're going to start the next color, which is yellow. Yellow, and then cross through. Oh, I'm getting caught over there. And like I said, you want to pull this down a little bit after you finish that color. And if these aren't, and you can fix these little beads in here if they twist on you. But that's what it looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the last 3 colors off camera and then come back and show you how to tie it off and what it looks like. Okay guys, I have all my colors on and this is what it looks like. And we end with 1 purple. And what you're going to do is take one end of the string and go through this pink bead. And then pull this tight. And go ahead and make a knot. And you can wear this like this, or when you have it on, you can move it sideways here. So you can wear it 2 different ways. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.